wala akong ibang choice, guys. Rather than to think something bad, I'm really fighting with the devil. This time, maghihiwalay muna kami for the meantime. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, may i-update lang ako. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mukha natin dahil sa medyo haggard tayo ngayon just because I'm thinking a lot of stuff. But I don't have anything to say. It's just to let you know but still go on and fight. Diba? So, ayan. May ibabahagi lang ako guys. Parang aalis ako mamaya. May anuhin ako na papers. At saka iiwan ko muna si Danny. But I will really try to contact Jacob to come over home. Wala akong ibang choice guys. Rather than to think something bad that it's really make me down. I'm really fighting with the depression this time. But I will show you the video that what's really happening with me in that night. But today, so I just want to go outside for I can inhale, exhale man lang, kahit saglit. And I will tell you the whole story. At least may ano kayo ba. So maghihiwalay muna kami for the meantime. And I think just 2 years lang ang kukunin ko. It's just very close sa Hong Kong lang naman. Dapat orientation ko ngayon. Pero nandito ako sa nandito ako sa Negros. But they will make a reschedule with me this week. So uuwi ako ng Cebu, but I need to go to visit of my friends as well. Let's see if I can still have a time today. At may kukunin ako na papers sa internet. So wala tayong ibang gagawin today is just go tour. Magtutour pa talaga, may naisipan ko. Hindi guys, hindi ako magtutour. Iba-vlog ko ang mga pangyayari today kahit kahit mataas yung oras. At sana lang yung decision na maano ko na decision ngayon is para sa akin, tama lang naman. Rather than na yung, alam nyo na, yung down na down ka talaga ba. So, yan yung anuhin ko ngayon. At, hirap talaga guys. Alam kong mahirap malayo sa pamilya, but through with this kind of, a lot of stuff, yung mga sitwasyon natin na hindi na talaga kaya, gagawin ko na lang. Yung isusugal ko na lang ba. But if you're talking about the situation of Danny, I will let my brother gonna stay here. At least lalaki yun. Makatulong din naman. Yung salary na matatanggap ko sa Hong Kong guys is really big help talaga. Kasi iba yung salary ng ex-abroad kaysa sa first timer. So yun, nag-aasikaso na ako ng mga papilis. And I'm gonna bring my old passport that I told them I make renew the passport in Lebanon. So proof that I really make a renew in there. So dadalhin ko din yan. Pero madali lang siguro ako sa Cebu guys, maybe one day. And then I will come back kasi may may biyahe na sa gabi. Ayan. Yan yung mga ko. Nahihirapan lang talaga ako guys. Dami akong mga pinagdadaan. Ang hirap pag wala kang kausap. Yung ganun. Parang totally depressed talaga ako. Aantabayan ko yung schedule ng orientation this week. I hope. And i-update ko kayo. Then, we're gonna do a vlog when I'm going to Cebu, guys. Yan. So, thank you talaga na madami. Maybe later, I'm gonna update with you where I'm gonna go. Then, continue tayo mamaya. Okay?